India pushes back December 15th start for international flights. A new date will be announced later.
The Indian government decided not to resume scheduled international flights from December 15th, less than a week after announcing the date, in the wake of rising concerns over the new COVID 19 variant Omicron. A senior government official confirmed that as of now, the effective date of resumption was being kept in abeyance and a new date would be notified in due course. In view of the evolving global scenario with the emergence of new variants of concern, the situation is being watched closely in consultation with all stakeholders, and an appropriate decision indicating the effective date of resumption of scheduled commercial international passenger services shall be notified in due course. Only last week, the Ministry of Civil Aviation had announced that international scheduled commercial flights would resume from December 15th after a 21-month ban. At the time, the ministry had said the decision was taken in consultation with the Ministries of Health, External Affairs, and Home Affairs. Following the announcement last week, at a review meeting on COVID 19 preparedness, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked government officials to review the plans for easing international travel restrictions in the light of growing concerns regarding the new COVID variant first detected in South Africa.